Hi everybody, welcome to Timeless Fluid Art. I must have said that 10 times this week, and did I come on and did I upload anything? No. But look what I've done. Look at that, isn't that cool? I kind of held it up really close yesterday and it was not in focus, so it's really cool. It's really dry. It's just I love that. So I got some 6-inch rounds and I figure I'm going to try doing, I don't think I need, oh, that just peeled right off. How cool is that? I think one will do. And then I'm going to try doing it with my paint. I don't know what colors yet. But let me put my, I have a new recipe. It's my own original recipe. And pretty sure I have enough here. Yep. We're going to try it. And I do like those colors I put. So on that little one, and I think it was the blue. Let me see what colors these were. Blue. Oh, gold. Oh, you know what I wanted to do? I wanted to try doing it with the 24 karat gold. That'll be another day because I don't have anything mixed. So here's my gold that I have here. Let me shake and mix it. Doesn't take much on these. And that's what I got very little left. Like next to nothing. And I know I have red. Well, I've got to mix some more colors. Really getting low. And then, let me see, blue. Have a bunch of colors here. Blue and I think I'll pick 3 colors. I really do like that, so let's try that, shall we? Let's start first with the base coat, which is, if I could get it opened up, it's my interior paint by Glidden. And with this process, you don't have to have hardly any paint on here. So that's what I like about it. I can squish it around ahead of time. And what I want to do is I want to be able to keep the design that I put. I don't want to have to drape it off the sides. Okay. Look around this way. Probably wonder why I'm doing this now, because I can with this. Okay. And get this side over here. This is different from anybody else using it. Okay, wipe my little hands down. Now maybe I'll put different glove on. Alrighty, I've got a little blue. Okay, and then a little bit of red, which should give me some nice purple too. Okay, and then my gold, my goodness, I'm scraping the bottom here, guys. But I'll have to make more later or tomorrow. I'm in no rush. Okay, and last but not least, my accelerator. Not activator, my accelerator. Alrighty, now, let me just move this a little bit to the center. And let me blow a little bit. And I have my magic thing here. See my beautiful cells? Absolutely gorgeous. It happens every time. No ifs, ands, or buts. It's a fail-free mix of paint and chemicals. So I'm pretty sure I've got this down pat. I could add a little more leaves, I think, or maybe I'll just leave it as is. To stretch it a little bit. Put this way. Wow, so cool. I am going to do one more, like right here. Cool. Okay. There you go. Sales galore. And I like leaving it just as is because it just is the way I like it. And I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to do another one. Let me just get this glove off. And I'll do, let me put it over here to dry. I think I'll use some different colors too. You know? But you see how it worked? 1, 2, 3. It's amazing how it does. Oh, I'm going to stretch that little one here. So cool. All right. I'm going to leave that as that. Okay. We'll do another one. You know why? Because I can. All right, let me write my glove here. I love these little guys. Comes out perfect every time. All right, little paint. And I think I'm going to do some phthalo green. Because I do love that green. And aqua. Of all kinds of paint here. And let's do pink, shall we? And then yellow on top. A little bit of yellow I have in here. Okay. Alrighty, let me stretch this around. And you can mix this color and have it immediately do cells. Immediately. No ifs, ands, or buts. It's worked on everything I've done so far. Okay. Okay. Let's do blue again. Wet my hands. And then this lovely phthalo green. I love that color too. A little bit of aqua. And then a little bit of red. A little bit of pink. And then yellow. Okay. And now my accelerator. because it accelerates very quickly with this. Extremely so. Let me put one over here so I could dry it there, make room for it. Okay. Let me center it. Not that I need to, but I like to. Isn't that amazing? I know, it's crazy. Every time, doesn't fail. This is different, I trust, than anything you've seen. Okie dokie. Another one done. That one came out really cool. I love it. We'll do okay, one more. These are so adorable. I love working with them. Okay. Oh, I know. I'm going to put some of that brown that I have. I think that's what I use too. Okay, I'm going to go this way and this way. Just run it off. It's regular house paint and Glidden interior. And everything but red and my violet, my purple over there, which I haven't done yet, is Liquitex Basics. Okay. Let's do, I'm going to still do this color, I'm going to do this on the bottom. Okay. And let's do, this is sienna. That's cool. That should work. I'm not really quite sure. It's mixed differently than this, but we'll see if it works. After all, I haven't had to worry about any of this not working, so we'll see if that works too. That was mixed up completely different from the rest here. So, and I'll do yellow. And then I'll do a little bit of, yeah, I think I'll do pink. This is Venetian Rose. It's a very pretty color. And my accelerator. Beautiful colors here. Wow. Look at that. Well, that is so cool. Look at these. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this over here and I'll take it down and show you. Kiddo. Alrighty. Let me take it down. Okay, here we go. Here's the first one. Look at those cells. It's amazing. Look at this one. We're talking major cells here. Wow, look at that. It's so cool. And these two. So now, depending on how many people I get to like this, if I can get to 100 followers with this, I'll give out my recipe. And then again, maybe I won't. I'll just enjoy my flowers. I just love these. And it works for swipes too. It works on anything. Okay. All right, guys. Have a great night, and I'll catch you later. Please subscribe. Thank you.